Hans, and this is...
Miles.
And this is...
Mimi.
And it's time for another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today we've got something from... Gosh, I don't know. Where are these from? It looks as if they're from the United States. They're made in China. And these are Schylling Ramen Noodlies.
Toys.
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 So we're going to cook these. Let's crack this open.
Smell it.
Kind of a bit smelly, says Miles, and yeah, it should be really delicious.
It's a little bit smells good.
You think they smell good? Okay, I'll
It
put
smells.
them in the... Oh, I haven't gotten them open all the way yet. There we go. Let's pour... Smell.
It smells good. It
Smells weird. Doesn't smell like food. Here, let's pour them in the...
Smell it. We can eat it just pretend.
There we go.
We can eat it just pretend.
Just pretend. So what do we have here? Nothing in there. What's this? These are ramen noodlies. They're a toy, and you can pretend to have noodles on you. So there's this one. I'm guessing this is infused with spirulina. This one's kind of orange, right? Is that
Yeah.
orange? This is infused, I'm guessing, with pumpkin. Pink one is infused with what? What's pink?
Strawberry.
Taro.
Taro.
And this one is yellow. This is just a regular instant. And then what color is this one?
Green.
So this one has seaweed in it. So yeah. So what do you do with these? Here's one for you. Here's one for you. What do you do with these? No, you got to stay over here. They won't be able to see it. Here.
You stretch them like this.
Yeah. Or you put them on your head, as Miles is modeling here. Got the Timberlake dew going on, and yeah. Whoa. So yeah, let's get. Well, wait. Okay, you hold on to that for a second. I gotta garnish this. So here we go. Let's arrange these in a nice. Look at that. I guess we could have made some fish cake with Play-Doh, but I think somebody's been 86th from Play-Doh due to Play-Doh being on the... Yeah, and it got all over the house. That wasn't so good. Okay, can I have that one?
Yeah.
Thank you.
And that one?
And that one. Perfect. So here we are. A lovely...
I'm gonna eat it.
No, I don't think you do. I wouldn't want to have this... Yeah. I think this could cause some kind of like gastrointestinal issues if you ate it, but in the review I'll put a little link so you can find out where to get them. Some family got us these. Thank you very much. This was a neat little surprise.
There's something inside here.
And there they are. Rotato's kind of like Rotato's kind of busy well, basically I can't plug in Rotato because of what you're gonna see the next day. What is this? This is the bread machine. What's it doing? I took a magic bullet and I took 4 blocks of Schylling Ramen, ground them down to a fine powder. Hopefully it's gonna work like flour, and we're making Schylling Ramen bread. No flour, just noodles that are ground up into a powder, seasoning, and then the stuff for our recipe. So with that, this has been Hans, and this has been Noisy Face, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles.
Every day.
Have a good one.